How to change a WhatsApp group name. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your group name on WhatsApp. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to change your WhatsApp group name, it is fairly simple to do so, but you have to make sure you are the admin of the group. Open up WhatsApp. Search for the group that you'd like to change the name of, and of course making sure that you are also the administrator. Tap on the group name from the very top. Now to change the group name, look for the three vertical dots icon located at the top right hand side. Then over there you'll find the option Change Group Name. Just tap on Change Group Name. Enter the new name that you wish to change to. Once you enter the new name, tap the OK button and your group name will be successfully changed. Hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.